I'm tacking in this rear panel here. I'm jumping around so that I don't warp the panel. And I'm going to have to build a whole edge here because this is was all rusted. But I'm going to lift that up and then weld a new piece in there. Okay, I got this thing tack welded all the way around. So I think I did pretty good. This panel doesn't really seem to be warped. And I'm ready to grind that down. I'm going to remove some of these parts here later and then put a new piece of metal in there. Okay, I created this piece here. I'm going to just weld it over the top here. You can see they've got a lot of problems with holes going on. I went through and ground this all down flat, so that's looking good. I'm nearly out of gas, but been getting a lot of these tack welds done on that edge. And I don't know, that guy that was a body guy was telling me that I don't need to fill all these in, but I'm a little bit more of a perfectionist. I think I want that to be a solid weld on the metal. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those all in. And it's almost time to go pick up another bottle. Okay, I ended up with a little bit of oil canning in a few areas here and here. The metal kind of bulges, and when you press it down, it pops up and down, in and out. So took my torch and went around the areas where there was problems. And as soon as I got that really hot, hit that with cold water, and it shrinks the metal. And yeah, got rid of all that oil canning. And over on this side too. So yeah, that looks good. I'm still going to put a layer of body filler over that skim coat. And got all these welds finished. I'm just going to grind a few of these down and move on to the next area. Okay, I just got done welding a strip of metal in here to cover up some holes. As you can see, I've got some holes going on here all the way down. And I'm going to keep on welding in more metal strips like that. And then once I'm done, I'll fill that whole channel in with fiberglass. Keep it waterproof. Alright, I got this whole channel repaired. Got all those holes plugged up. And ready to coat that thing with some fiberglass now. I got this whole channel filled in with some fiberglass, and I wanted to make sure I got that nice and covered before any more rust seeps in there, top and bottom. So that's looking good. Ready to move on to the next thing. And just wanted to say thank you to everybody on YouTube over the past year who's given me a lot of supportive comments. And even though I don't always reply, I read all the comments, and I appreciate everybody, and wishing everybody a happy new year.